Section A, question number 15. The 10th term of the AP 5, 19 by 4, 9 by 2, 17 by 4 is AP is 5, 19 by 4, 9 by 2, 17 by 4, etc. 10th term A10 equal to 10. Basic expression for 10th term is A plus n minus 1 into D. Here A is equal to 5, D is equal to A2 minus A1, that is equal to 19 by 4 minus 5, that is equal to 90 minus LCM 20 divided by 4. D is equal to minus 1 by 4, n is equal to 10. Therefore, A10 is equal to A plus A is 5, n minus 1 into D, n is 10 into D, D is minus 1 by 4, that is equal to 5 minus 10 minus 1 9, 9 into 1 by 4. The LCM 20 minus 9 by 4, this is equal to 11 by 4. A10 equal to 11 by 4. That's our answer. Choice A.